Looking for great yoga shirts for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, with an extraordinary fusion of classic lines and multi-purpose hardware, this top is made perfect for a woman in need of versatility. Small hook closures at the shoulder blades provide a Racerback core shoulder width option, easily self-adjusted by Beyond Yoga. Number 2, the lensing top is a beautiful lightweight stretchy sleeveless top with an asymmetrical hem detail and mini diamond at the center neck back, by prAna. Number 3, looking for a unique tank to add to your workout gear? This is it. Show off your favorite bra through the mesh straps and stay cool during hot days with the mesh blocking, by Soybu. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.